I think this is, I always say this every year, I think this is the best year ever. Yeah. Most creative. You guys did such a good job. And the judges of Wonders, they did an excellent job, but they had a hard time deciding who was going to win. So I want to start off with just the traditional. We only had one entry in the traditional, but I think it deserves a honorable mention because it's wonderful. It's a town crier. It's Sheila Whitman. She's number 2 up there, and if you haven't seen her, she's got the flag hanging off her head. So, good job, Sheila. No, I don't think Sheila's here, but we'll save it. Yeah, we'll put one aside for her. Okay, where do I start? Business. Who won the business again? Again, and again, and again. Ray Page, yay, he's not here, but he always supports us, and he's number 1. It's a skeleton in the shower up above, number 1. He donates to the farm every year, and the post is dedicated to him now, so he has a hard time, but he has all his employees submit their entries, and then they pick which one they think is the best, so that's a real good business venture. Okay, youth group. We'll do a youth group. How many are here from number 16? Jack the Skeleton. Is that this group over here again this year? Woo! Yes. They're from Rockville High School Independent Living class. Yay. Somebody want to come up and get your ribbon? There you go. Hey.
There you go.
Good job.
Hold it up so everybody can
see
take
it.
a picture.
Yay. And then adult group. I don't see, they were going to try to get somebody over here today. It is the police department. It's the officer giving advice out there on West Street. And Carrie Reynolds, Officer Reynolds, couldn't make it today, but she'll be thrilled. She's retiring in February, so this is her last Scarecrow, so we're so glad that she won. So that's the police. And last but not least, well, no, that's not the last one. We got the family, and they've been doing it, I think, for 9 out of the 10 years, maybe almost 10 years. And it's number 11. It's a Cowboy Crow deal. The McLaughlin Jocks family. Are they out there? Or they could be just driving in. But they are always doing a great, it's the Cowboy on number 11. So take a look at them. We'll be hanging ribbons on the Scarecrow so you can walk through. And then the online vote. This was hard. This was like, I had to go through and count every little online vote. And the online vote was close, and we had over 300 votes that I had to count. And it was a very close, I have to give honorable mention to the Hop Along Club. They got a lot of people out there voting, and also the First Congregational Church of Vernon, they got a lot of people out there voting, but they were outpassed by the Independent Living crew here. So this is number 16. You've got 2 first places, number 16, our Rockville High School Independent Living class. Whoa. So you got 2 this year.
Dang.
Yay! Come and get it.
There you go.
So this, I'm so proud of everybody, and I'm so thankful for everybody for entering this year, and I hope you plan on it next year. This is such a great community, and so many people love them, and it's just a real down farm feel good contest that we have. And I want to thank our judges, and if you're just curious, we'll have the ribbons up soon on it. And anybody that didn't win first place, you'll all get second place, so you can come up, you can either see Leah over there for your ribbon, or you can wait till we put the ribbons on your Scarecrow. Okay? Thank you, everybody.
So we're part of the Hop Along gang group in Vernon, and we do rabbit showmanship. We do crafts at our meetings. They happen once a month. And we do some knowledge And every August we show at the Tallinn County 4-H Fair.
So we meet every first Tuesday of each month up through July. The 4-H year starts in October, so we meet October through July, with the 4-H fair being in August in Tallinn County. Members can range in age from 7 and up. Usually the kids age out around 18, 19, depending on their 4-H year. If you are interested in joining the Hop Along Gang, you can reach me through my cell phone and just text or call me. We are looking for new members, boys, girls. You don't have to own a rabbit. We do have a rabbit to lease, so we will have to see who joins and is in need of a rabbit. My name is Jen, and you can reach me at 860-543-4333. Thank you and have a great day.